Hello, welcome back. Here's how you can animate an avatar so that it walks in Roblox Studio, where you can actually build a Roblox experience or game. So let's say if we want to have this flat terrain as the set, click on it. And then let's actually make an avatar actually. So to do this, go to avatar and then click on rig builder. Afterwards, you want to pick either R6 or R15. Let's start with R6, which is the earliest model of avatar on Roblox. And then afterwards, simply click on block avatar just like this. Place it on the ground. Oh, looks cool. Now the Roblox avatar looks really good on the grass, just like this. Let's animate this so that it walks, so that it has this walking effects. So to do this, select the avatar and then go to animation editor, and then afterwards click on the avatar just like this. And then let's say if you want to have like 5 units for the timeline length, 5 seconds, that's to say. Let's animate the avatar. So drag the frame indicator so that it reaches 1 second, and then you can move this right hand side arm so that it goes forward, and then for the left hand side arm, bring it backwards, rotate it like this, and then for the right hand side leg, rotate it so that it looks like this, and then for the left hand side leg, rotate it 45 degrees so that it looks like this. And then if we play it, it will look like this pretty much. And then drag your frame indicator to 2 frames, and then let's actually rotate it so that it looks like this pretty much. It's levitating, so we have to rotate the right hand side leg forwards 90 degrees. For the left hand side arm, do it like this, and then for the right hand side arm, rotate it like this. Maybe you can do some tweaks with the head actually. You don't need it, so yeah, looks like this pretty much. It now walks. Copy the existing keyframes. Copy, Control C, and then for 3 seconds, paste it, Control V. Copy the next movement, and then paste it just like so. Then finally add 5 seconds. Just like so. If we play it, now the avatar walks, as easy as that. Let's animate R15 one. Something is not right actually. So hold on. Alright, I forgot. For this leg, rotate it like this. Then all set. Let's animate a R15 avatar. Click on rig builder, R15, block avatar, you're set. And then put the avatar, hold on, wait. Click on move. Hold on, select. Move, I guess, just like so. And then let's say if we position the R15 avatar here. From here actually. So zoom it in, and then let's animate this avatar. So go to animation editor again, and then starting from hold on, something is not quite right. Oh, I forgot. Just like this. My bad. So starting from 1 frame, let's just animate the lower part of the right hand side arm. Go to rotate, and then maybe no, rotate it like this. Whoops, forward actually, just like so. And then for this one, we can rotate it as well, so it looks like this. Then for this one, let's actually bring it backwards. For this one, maybe do it like this. Then for the legs, put like this. And then for this, do it like this. And then rotate it back. And then for this one, rotate it so that it looks like this pretty much. Alright, looks cool. Let's rotate the torso. Or you can just hold the shift key so that the rotation is not 45 degrees. You can adjust the rotation just like so. Hold the shift key just like this. Same goes here. Then if we do it like this, ooh, fancy. You can also tilt the head upwards. Maybe downwards. And then at 2 seconds, you want to like hold the shift key, and then you want to do it like this, for example, and then you simply just put the leg to the back, and then for the lower leg, simply hold the shift key again and then bring it forward just like this. And then for this one, hold the shift key and then bring it forward for the left hand side leg. For this, hold the shift key for the lower leg. And then for the bottom part arm, lower right hand side arm, do it like this. Then for this, do it like this. See, the joints for R15 may look more complicated to animate, so it takes patience. And then you can, tilt the head slightly downwards by holding the shift key while selecting, after selecting the head, and then you simply can do some tricks with it. And then you can copy the, the keyframes, drag it just like this, and then simply copy and paste this several times. And then for the final keyframe, do it like this. That's how you can do it. That's how you can animate, Roblox avatars so that they walk just like this. Ooh, fancy. And now you can make it move. So to do this, go to move, and then select them all by holding the shift key just like this. All of the parts actually of the body just like so. And then when we're done, let's pull it backwards a bit, and then at 5 seconds, let's move it forward just like this. And then if we play it, alright, now it walks. The avatar walks now. Oh, fancy, isn't it? Now we can play it again. And that's how you can make a Roblox avatar walk just like this in Roblox Studio. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao. Drop, 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 drop. As easy as that.